You see percentages everywhere on shopping discounts, on exam scores, on bank interest rates, and I'm sure this one percentage every one of you have seen when checking your mom or dad's mobile phone and checking the battery. The battery level you see is the battery percentage you see on a phone. But what exactly a percentage mean? Hello everyone, welcome to EazeeMath. My name is Shraddha and in today's video we are going to understand what exactly the percentage mean. Per cent. The meaning of the word cent is 100 and percent means per 100 and the symbol of percent is this. So when I am saying 1%, that means 1 out of 100. Similarly, if I am saying 20, that means 20 out of 100. If I am saying 100%, that means 100 out of 100. This percentage is used in real life in varied ways in terms of weather, such as humidity percentage, in terms of scores, if somebody has scored 80%, 90%, 100%, in terms of shopping discounts, whether the discount is 50%, 80%, 30%, 20%, in terms of any increase or decrease, let's say the population increased by 20% or the population decreased by 30%, and there are many more examples. Why are percentages used anyways? Percentages are used to standardize the comparison of numbers by expressing those numbers as a denominator of 100, and that is why whenever I am talking about any percentage, then the denominator is 100. Let's understand this by few more examples. Here 5% means 5 out of 100. 17% means 17 out of 100 and 25% means 25 out of 100. And when I have the denominator same in all of them, then I can easily compare both the three numbers. I can see that 25 out of 100 is the biggest fraction or the biggest number and 5 out of 100 is the smallest number. Let's understand why percentages are used with one more example. Let's say you are three friends and studying in different schools. Now, friend A got marks 20 out of 35. Friend B got 13 out of 26. And friend C got marks 23 out of 54. Now, we see the denominators are different in all of these three. And until I convert them to a percentage or I make the denominators common, I cannot really compare all the three numbers. And that is why percentages are used. When I use the percentage, the denominator becomes 100 for all of them. And that is why it is very easy to compare the numbers when the numbers are converted into percentage. Hence, percentages are very useful to standardize the numbers and then simplicity of use. Percentages are widely used in terms of retail, finances, education, the scores. Therefore, percentages are everywhere. I hope this video helped you understand what percentage really mean. In the upcoming videos, we will also understand how to convert fractions to percentage, percentages back to fractions, decimals to percentage. If this video made your idea about percentage a bit clear, do like, share and subscribe to EazeeMath's channel. Happy learning. Wish you the best.